And now let's move on to the 7 secrets of habits and happiness. Again, there is so much more to cover, but I just tried to summarize this in this short course on habits and happiness. Number 1, believe you can change your habits. You see, nothing happens unless you believe that you can make this work. If you're not really sure, just move on to the next habit. Why do I say this? There is so much research behind this, and particularly research done by Dr. Bruce Lipton, his research on belief, that he showed that when you believe, when you truly believe in something, that your body, all the way down to the cell level, changes. Now, think about it. Your body, all the way down cell level, changes. So, number 1, before you move on to executing, to starting your new habit, to replacing your existing one, you must believe that you can make this work.